India, USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Yes, I hope we are all in same page. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, this crucial, very important civil justice sign off will save the entire human kingdom and all the nations. And also, I will also get civil justice and also get all the national benefits accordingly, rightful according to the Holy Bible guidelines. Okay, and why this civil justice is going on is because United States of America, with fatal negligence, created the robo-poverty mandate to I, and also created finance disability to I, and also created the finance debt to I, and that is a crime for USA nation, and USA nation do not have any birthright to create enforce poverty to me. Okay, so for I, Vethapriya PROSE, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire king hero as of February 2021. Any salary as of tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vethapriya PROSE, native Indian tribe for Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica, late USA President, not late, I'm sorry, I have to rewrite the text. It is the USA, then USA President George W. Bush Jr. never eradicated USA Republican government, can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vethapriya PROSE, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge. And it is fatal negligence of then USA President George W. Bush Jr. to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica, then USA President George W. Bush Jr., or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, then USA President George W. Bush Jr. So what is the crime? Then USA President George W. Bush Jr. created robocall poverty mandate, and it is a deadliest crime, comes under the classification of domestic violence, and it's a subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation and injury to the brain nerve cells, and assault and types, battery and types, and trespass and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vethapriya PROSE, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, Republica, then USA President George W. Bush Jr. with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vethapriya PROSE, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vethapriya PROSE abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of the United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, and October 2020, and as of today in February 2021. So, and also enforced finance disability. So it is a crime for Republica, then USA President George W. Bush Jr., when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vethapriya PROSE. So civil justice is I, Vethapriya PROSE, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and late then USA President George W. Bush Jr. must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA can provide the needful accordingly. For I, Vethapriya PROSE, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I want USA government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name. Vethapriya is civil justice served, and I, Vethapriya PROSE, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served, and I, Vethapriya PROSE, to become the supreme chief civil judge for all nations is civil justice served, and I, Vethapriya PROSE, to become the supreme chief family law judge for all nations is civil justice served. served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly, civil justice served. Then I, Vethapriya, proceed to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vethapriya, PROSE, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India, is civil justice served. And I, Vethapriya, PROSE, to get the dual citizenship of USA and India now, is civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on regarding with this civil justice sign off provided for myself. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is a multitasking, and I sure will get the civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Okay, so talk to you all soon and have a good day. Bye for now.